Have you ever felt like life is rushing past you and you're just trying to keep up? You wake up tired, scroll through your day, and go to bed feeling like something's missing. You're not alone. In a world full of noise, pressure, and endless distractions, one quiet practice has changed millions of lives: mindfulness. And today you're going to learn 5 simple steps to help you find inner peace, even if your mind feels overwhelmed right now. You don't need to be a monk. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a few quiet moments and the willingness to begin. Step 1. Breathe like it matters. Morning, 2 minutes. The moment you wake up, before grabbing your phone, pause. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale gently through your mouth for 6. Do this for 2 minutes every morning. It tells your body, I'm safe, I'm present. Your nervous system relaxes. Your mind becomes clear. It's not just breathing. It's a return to yourself. Step 2. Label your thoughts. Anytime you feel overwhelmed. When your mind races with stress, name what you're feeling. Instead of drowning in it, observe it. Say to yourself, this is anxiety. This is overthinking. Naming emotions creates space. It turns chaos into clarity. Suddenly, you're no longer inside the storm. You're watching it calmly. That's mindfulness. Step 3. Touch the present. Midday, 1-minute practice. Choose one everyday activity, like washing your hands, drinking tea, or walking. And for just 1 minute, be fully there. Feel the temperature of the water. Notice the smell of the soap. Listen to the sounds around you. This is how we reclaim life from autopilot. Mindfulness isn't about doing more. It's about feeling more. The little things become sacred. Step 4. Speak kindly to yourself. Evening reflection. At night, when the world is quiet, reflect on your day. But not to judge, to understand. Ask yourself gently, what did I learn today? What made me smile? Speak to yourself like you would to someone you love. This is mindful compassion. It's what transforms guilt into growth. Step 5. Return to the breath before sleep. 3 minutes. Right before bed, lie down and place your hand on your belly. Feel it rise and fall. With each breath, release the day. Let go of trying to be enough for everyone. This 3-minute practice becomes your healing space, a ritual that gently tells your body, you are safe. You can rest now. Mindfulness is not about escaping the world. It's about arriving fully into it. You don't need to change everything to feel peace. You just need to come back to the present, again and again. So try these 5 simple steps. Not to be better, but to be here. Not to escape, but to awaken. If this message touched you, take a deep breath and share this video with someone who needs it. Subscribe to this channel for more mindful moments, guided meditations, and soul-deep healing. Let's walk this path together.